Hey everyone, I'm Bianca Renee. You're watching Bianca Renee Today, and today we're going to deal with dandruff, itchy scalp, dry hair, and product buildup. We are going to make a home remedy using apple cider vinegar. We're going to make an apple cider vinegar rinse, also known as an ACV rinse, and this stuff can cure like everything. Besides even hair care, apple cider vinegar is also used to help with acne, with weight loss, like random stuff. It does everything. By doing this rinse, it'll also help with hair growth because we are now cleaning our scalp completely, getting rid of any buildup or bacteria so that our scalp can breathe and grow more beautiful curls. Now you can use any brand of apple cider vinegar to make this, but it is best that you use an unfiltered organic one. This is the brand that we usually see like online, is this Bragg. It looks like this. It says organic, but the main thing that you want is the mother. The mother is all of like this extra gooky stuff at the bottom because that's supposed to have like extra nutrients in it. So don't worry, it's not like gross. It's supposed to be there. Now, one thing that you will have to get used to when doing an ACV rinse is definitely the smell, because this stuff, pretty potent. Oh man, I forgot how strong this is. Can't wait to put it all over my head. Now, I know you've been walking around like this all day because you got that itchy scalp, but don't worry, we're gonna cure it right now. Now, all you're going to need is some apple cider vinegar, some water, a measuring cup, and a squirt bottle. So first you're gonna get the apple cider vinegar and shake it up a little bit so that the mother gets all mixed around. So now we're going to pour 2 ounces or 1/4 cup inside of our measuring cup. And now we're going to pour that into our water bottle. Now on some sites it's recommended to do twice as much water, but I'm just gonna fill up the rest of my bottle, just about that much. Shake it up, and now we have our mix. Now I've been doing a lot of research on apple cider vinegar and I've watched a lot of videos, and some girls like to do coconut oil first to detangle their hair and then apply the rinse. I personally am 100% against detangling my hair when I'm not in the shower because it just seems like a horrible experience. Ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm not gonna detangle now. I'm gonna detangle after, when I rinse it out and use conditioner, and it's actually gonna be easy. So after you section your hair, you might wanna get a towel so you don't get the vinegar all over the place. Definitely don't wear any type of clothing or shirt that you care about. And now we're going to just start to apply this all over the hair and especially the scalp. Once you get in there, you're going to massage your scalp and get rid of any product or dandruff buildup. Just gonna keep applying until you just feel it all over your scalp, wherever you think you need it. So after we think we got it all over our scalp, it's also good to get it on the actual shaft of the hair because it will make your hair nice and shiny. So now that our hair is soaking wet with apple cider vinegar, I'm just gonna put a little cap on. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes and then we're gonna rinse it all out. And while we wait, this is a perfect time for you to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. So now it's time to take off the shower cap and rinse out the apple cider vinegar. Today I'm going to be using this new Decadence conditioner by Diva Curl. Now some girls use the apple cider vinegar rinse as a replacement for shampoo, so you really could just skip to the conditioner part, but make sure you really cleanse so you don't leave the shower smelling like vinegar. So now I'm going to grab my new best friend, which is my scalp massager, which I got from Vanity Planet, and this is going to really cleanse our scalp even more and get rid of any dirt or dandruff. Now I'm going to brush through my hair with the conditioner, making it nice and easy to detangle, and then we're just going to rinse it all off. So now I am fresh out the shower, my scalp is extra clean, no dandruff, no buildup, and my curls are ready to be styled, and no trace of apple cider vinegar. Now some girls do take this a step further and do a deep conditioning treatment after they use their regular conditioner. Totally up to you. If you feel like your hair needs some more moisture, you could do that as well. But this is the simple how to do a basic ACV rinse. I hope this video helped you guys. If you're dealing with any dandruff, product buildup, itchy scalp, this really should work for you. Let me know if you guys try it. If you